Hey guys, this is Shrishti here from the srishtigupta.co.in. In this video, we are going to have a look at the overview of digital marketing. So let's get started. Let's have a look at agenda for this video. We are going to study about what is digital marketing, difference between traditional and digital marketing, tools for digital marketing, role of digital marketing to a company, what are the role of digital marketer, earnings from a digital marketing job, future of digital marketing, and how to kickstart your career in digital marketing. And here, there is going to be a bonus tip for you all. So stay tuned and let's move forward. So let's get started with what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote goods and services. Digital marketing also refers to advertising delivered through digital channels such as search engines, websites, social media, email, and mobile apps. Using these online media channels, digital marketing is the method by which companies endorse goods, services, and brands. Now let's understand the difference between traditional and digital marketing. The main differentiation between traditional and digital marketing is the channel through which an audience encounters their marketing message. Traditional marketing uses traditional channels such as magazines, televisions, radio, billboards, newspapers, and on the other hand, digital marketing uses digital channels such as SEO, SEM, content marketing, social media, or websites. Here are other differentiation between them too. Cost. Traditional marketing is very expensive, whereas digital marketing is cost effective. Reach. Traditional marketing looks for customers, whereas digital marketing looks for you with your goods and services. Coverage. Traditional marketing has limited audience coverage, whereas digital marketing has affluent audience to cover. Duration and impact. Traditional marketing has limited, whereas digital marketing has long duration and impact. Qualifications. Traditional marketing can be used and practiced by anyone, but for digital marketing, a person needs to be qualified. Extra charges. Traditional marketing charges extra for upgrading ads, but there are no such charges in digital marketing. Now let's move forward towards understanding different tools of digital marketing. First, SEO, that is search engine optimization. This is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, thereby increasing the amount of organic or free traffic to your website receives. The channel that benefits from SEO includes websites, blogs, and infographics, which we are going to understand further in our video. There are a number of ways to approach SEO in order to generate qualified traffic to your website. These includes on the page SEO, off the page SEO, and technical SEO. On the page SEO, this type of SEO focuses on all of the content that exists on the page when looking at a website. Off the page SEO, this type of SEO focuses on all of the activities that takes place off the page when looking to optimize your website. Technical SEO, this type of SEO focuses on the backend of your website and how your pages are coded. These are also categorized into image compression, structured data, and CSS file optimization. They are all forms of technical SEO that can increase your website's loading speed. Second, content marketing. This term denotes the creation and promotion of content asset for the purpose of generating brand awareness, traffic growth, lead generation, and customers. The channels that can play a part in your content marketing strategy includes blog posts, ebooks and white papers, infographics. Infographics are a form of visual content that helps website visitors visualize a concept you want to help them learn. Third, social media marketing. This practice promotes your brand and your content on social media channels to increase brand awareness, drive traffic, and generate leads to your business. The channels you can use in social media marketing includes Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest, and other more. Fourth, SEM or PPC, that is search engine marketing or pay per click. SEM or PPC is a method of driving traffic to your website by paying a publisher every time your ad is clicked. One of the most common type of PPC is Google Ads, which allows you to pay for top slots on Google search engine's results page at a price per click of the links you place. Channels where you can place PPC includes paid ads on Facebook, Twitter ads campaigns, sponsored messages on LinkedIn. Paid ads on Facebook. Users can pay to customize a video, image post, or slideshow which Facebook will publish to the news feeds of people who matches your business audience. Twitter ad campaigns. Same as Facebook, users can pay to place a series of posts or profile badges to the newsfeed of a specific audience, all dedicated to accomplish a specific goal for your business. This goal can be website traffic, more Twitter followers, tweet engagement, or even app downloads. Third, sponsored message on Twitter. Users can pay to send messages directly to specific LinkedIn users based on their industry and background. Fifth, affiliate marketing. This is a type of performance-based advertising where you receive commission for promoting someone else's products or services on your website. Affiliate marketing channels include hosting video ads through the YouTube Partner Program and posting affiliate links from your social media account. Next, marketing automation. Marketing automation refers to software that serves to automate your basic marketing operations. Many marketing departments can automate repetitive tasks that would otherwise do manually, such as email newsletters, social media post scheduling, lead nurturing workflows, and campaign tracking and reporting. Next, we have email marketing. Companies use email marketing as a way of communicating with their audiences. Email is often used to promote content, discounts, and events, as well as to direct people towards the business website. The types of email you might send in an email marketing campaign includes blog subscription newsletters, follow-up emails to website visitors who downloaded something, customer welcome detail emails, holiday promotions to loyalty program members, tips or similar series emails for customer nurturing. Online PR. Online PR is the practice of securing earned online coverage with digital publications, blogs, and other content-based websites. It's much like traditional PR but in the online space. The channels you can use to maximize your PR efforts includes reporter outreach via social media, engaging online reviews of your company, engaging comments on your personal website or blog. Inbound marketing. Inbound marketing refers to marketing methodology wherein you attract, engage, and delight customers at every stage of the buyer's journey. You can use every digital marketing tactic listed above throughout an inbound marketing strategy to create a customer experience that works with the customer, not against them. Here are some classic examples of inbound marketing versus traditional marketing. Let's have a look. Blogging versus pop-up ads, video marketing versus commercial advertising, and email contact list versus email spam. Last but not the least, among the tools of digital marketing, we have sponsored content. With sponsored content, you as a brand pay another company or identity to create and promote content that discusses your brand or services in some way. One popular type of sponsored content is influencer marketing. With this type of sponsored content, a brand sponsors an influencer in its industry to publish posts or videos related to the company on social media. Now, let's discuss about the roles of digital marketing to a company. There are various roles of digital marketing to a company, which includes website traffic, which helps in increasing traffic to your companies or your website, content performance, which helps in improving performance of your content, lead generation, and attribution modeling, which refers to an effective digital marketing strategy combined with the right tools and technologies allows you to trace all of your sales back to a customer's first digital touch point with your business. Now let's move forward and discuss about the role of digital marketer. Digital marketers are in charge of driving brand awareness and lead generation through all the digital channels, both free and paid, which include social media, the company's own website, search engine rankings, email, display advertising, and the company's blog. The digital marketer usually focuses on different key performance indicators that are KPI for each channel so they can properly measure the company's performance across each one. Digital marketing is carried out across many marketing roles today. In small companies, one journalist might own many of the digital marketing tactics described above at the same time. Whereas large companies, these tactics have multiple specialists that each focuses on just one or two of the brand's digital channels. Let's discuss. First, SEO manager, where his or her main KPI is organic traffic. Content marketing specialist, where his or her main KPI is time on page, overall blog traffic, and YouTube channel subscribers. Social media manager, where his or her main KPI are followers, impressions, shares, and engaging people socially using online medium. Last but not the least, marketing automation coordinators, where the KPIs are email open rate, campaign click-through rate, and lead generation or conversion rate. Earnings from digital marketing job. The earnings from digital marketing job depends upon the quality of skills, practice, and implementation of a person have of digital marketing. Digital marketing analyst may have a earning of rupees 3 lakhs. Digital marketing freelancer may have earning of 4 lakhs. And digital marketing manager may have earning of 8 to 9 lakhs. The next question which arises is, what would be the future of digital marketing? Does digital marketing have any scope in future? So here is the answer. The scope is wider when it comes to digital marketing. Digital marketing will remain as the most powerful way of marketing in the future. But as the dynamics of digital marketing is changing every day, a digital marketer has to be aligned, alert, smart, and adapt to latest changes. Digital marketing has a broader scope in the coming future as every area is replacing by artificial intelligence, algorithm, and other technologies at medium of digitalization. Marketing in digital form is the best way to reach the affluent population in the coming decade. But wait, how to kickstart your career in digital marketing? Remember I told you there is a bonus tip at the end of the video? Well, here is a bonus tip to you and the ultimate solution to kickstart your career in digital marketing. Apply for Digital Deepak's internship program DDIP and kickstart your career in digital marketing. The duration of the program is 14 weeks, which is by India's best digital mentor. This program's USP is that it's assignment-based practical-driven program, whereon on each assignment you can earn cashback and that's on every week. Isn't it amazing? So, what are you waiting for? Apply for DDIP and grab your seat to explore whole new digitalized world. And thank you for this video. Hope this helps you. Have a good day.